Turbo Chute business has been around since 1999, and we are very proud of some of the long-standing relationships we've created. We service some of the premier property development, hotel, facility management companies throughout Australia. We have over 500 buildings that we service, and we're expanding our national footprint. So the Turbo Chute patented system is the dual action of using water jets coupled with brushes. It's all encased in a frame. The water is forced out the sides. That creates a centrifugal force, which also allows the brush heads to spin at the same time as the water jet. You start lowering the fast spinning mechanism from the top all the way down to the bottom. As it spins, it removes all the debris across the entire surface area of the garbage chutes with a combination of water and degreaser. Everything goes down with it and gets collected down the bottom where it gets washed away. So we end up with a superior result through less water, less chemical, less time.
Look, if we didn't have Turbo Chute here, we'd be getting complaints about odour, so it's really fantastic not having to worry about that at all. I would really recommend Turbo Chute for any building. Cleanliness is really important, communication is paramount, and they're perfect at that, so definitely recommend.